So over here you can see that I have an image, and now let's see how we can work around with the invert option. So if I were to go to adjustment right here, and you can see that there's an invert as an option. And once I click on it, what happens is that the colors of the picture just gets inverted right here. I can also work around with a certain selection and then go around into adjustment and invert, and you can see that the colors get inverted. So what the invert option actually does is that it changes the color spectrum on the opposite side so that it looks like a negative picture. So I can create some cool effects with this. I can go around and try out other images as well. So I'm just going to go around for stock search right here. So there you go, there's like a jungle right here. So I'm just going to choose around this one over here. So I'm going to load out this picture, and this is what I have. So to invert this, simply go to adjustment and go to invert, and then this is what you have. The bright area turns dark and the dark turns bright, and vice versa. And that is how you can work around with the invert option inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.